Hello friends, it is hurricane day, Hurricane Laura day. It is a little after 8 a.m. I just got done dropping the kid off at school and I'm doing my usual thing by sitting right in front of this window here, and it's not particularly illuminating, if you can tell. It's a little gloomy outside, and of course that's foreshadowing of the weather that is to come. Something else that is a bit foreshadowing of the weather to come, hopefully in a safety way, not a super dangerous day. I wasn't even 5 minutes away from the school. I think I was like almost in the parking lot, and I get a text message from the school saying, hey, we're gonna close early, so we're definitely gonna have to call the dentist's office and see if that means that their dentist appointment is also closing early for the projected inclement weather. So let's start a handy dandy little vlog, and so what I need to do today, obviously I need to work. We're still working from home. I am going to feed the dogs and take them on a WALK. So hopefully I can get some footage of the sky as well, because I kind of do want to show you how the sky and the weather is progressing, because I feel like that might be a little bit interesting. Definitely, you know, making some dinner, seeing how the day goes in, which will also be a lot of chaos.
Bear does not like wet grass at all. He's a very prissy boy. So the fact that it has rained a little bit last night is very disappointing for him. Penny too, a little bit. She likes being on camera. Penny, do you just need all the attention and the entire internet to pay attention to you? Yes? Okay, so this is the sky from our back porch. Sorry, there are a lot of trees. Just a little gloomy. It did start to rain a little bit, just very light rain. Here are my plants. They look like they're doing fine so far, but I want to take them in the house around lunchtime just so that they don't get too blown over and overwatered. Check this out. I got like a little baby jalapeno right there. So that is progress. Got a bunch of basil now. There's a critter that apparently likes basil now too. Those flowers are doing a little bit better after the squirrel tried to dig into them. Kids' flowers, the squirrel really liked the kids' flowers, which are recovering to a state. But yeah, we're definitely gonna need to take all of this inside. Found kids' lunch from yesterday. There's still sandwich in here. Did not put it in the sink. Just left it on the counter still with the sandwich. Okay. Spousal unit. Because of the storms, Dark Side is going to be closing at 12:30. Root Cafe is going to be closing at 2. Since it's the two of us and you're taking the afternoon off, do you want to order North Bar, or do you want to just make something at home?
That's a hard question. Making something at home would be good if we have anything that's going to perish, potentially.
I don't think that we have anything that is in immediate need or immediate risk of perishing.
I would love some North Bar then, or root. Honestly, the roots.
You really like the pickle brine tofu.
I do.
You really do.
Is the shit.
I would be up to either. I just wanted to list that as an option, especially being as you're going to be picking up kiddo for the dentist appointment. Oh wait, the dentist called and wanted to know if we wanted to cancel our appointment because of the inclement weather.
If kiddo is picked up at 1?
Yeah.
That's when my physical is.
Oh shit. Okay. So I will probably have to pick up late child. You okay?
I'm sorry.
You're sad.
I'm sad.
I know.
You know, you keep pushing like my jobs onto you now.
I know that it's frustrating. I am also frustrated, and it's also frustrating that we need to get like all this medical stuff, like dentist appointments and doctor's appointments, and especially if they're just routine physicals that we're relatively healthy, we don't necessarily need to go to the doctor regularly. It's just so much you need to do this right now and then nothing. Hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait.
Right, because it's not just a joy physical, it's literally for DHX.
Yeah. Bear does not like going to the vet, so he's very empathetic to how we don't want to necessarily go to the doctor for no reason. He's like, you need to have a damn good reason to go to the vet, or they'll just give you shots.
Alright, stick things up your butt.
Oh my god. Hey Bear, Penny.
Someone's new last.
Ooh.
Right. So you said nothing important went on
You
today?
stuck?
Mostly just out early after lunch for cooking.
This is the status at about 3 o'clock. I just got back from the dentist with the kid. Obviously, this is the sky. Getting kind of rainy. It's about 4:30 now. Getting a little bit windy. Oh, yeah. It's what, 5:30? Yeah. It's not too windy. Feel like this is okay for WAOK.
It's about 6 o'clock. The rain let up enough for us to take puggers on walk number 2. They were pretty dang peeved that it was still raining, but what are you going to do, Penelope? Fight the hurricane? I encourage you to fight the hurricane. However, being outside did point out something that I'm going to show you real quick.
Okay, so I did say the wind was not that bad earlier, but what the fuck? That's like 1/3 of our tree? I mean, it barely missed significant other's car. He checked the taillight and everything. Not even the taillight's broken, the bumper's fine. It just like tree gently caressed his car as it crumbled. This is, oh Jesus, this was not a big tree. I mean, it was a really softwood tree, but yeah. That's the tree it fell from. Halfway in the street.
Hello, welcome to my bathroom again. Kids just like, well, we got out of school early, so obviously we don't have school tomorrow. No, you're going to school. Hurricane Laura, Laura's gone. She's making her way downtown, walking fast, faces passing homebound. Yeah, like we're good, we're fine. The worst of this is past for us, and you are going to school. Now I'm gonna go help significant other with the fallen tree problem and probably not bring the camera because I don't want it to get wet. In the meantime,
Bear, are you being such a sweet boy? You're a good boy. You're such a sweet boy. I know you got wet, and that is the worst thing in the world is being wet. Blanky makes it better. Chomp chomp. Nom nom nom. Chomp chomp. We have successfully dismembered the tree. Not sure if you can get a sense of scale, but yeah, we have successfully dismembered the tree. And I'm getting water on my camera and I don't want to do that, so bye.
so after about 45 minutes of chopping down tree, essentially, this is what I look like, and I am definitely covered in wood chips. This is an authentic dirndl skirt. Can definitely see this being a hardy work skirt. Thankfully, we were only out there for 45 minutes because our neighbor saw us, took pity on us, and just like, here, let me help. I'll bring the chainsaw. Oh yeah, I also had the marvelous idea to go out there with my hair down, so it kept getting caught in all the branches. But we are definitely going to take a good, quick rinse off. But as you can see by the illumination, we are the fortunate souls who still have power. However, significant other's sibling does not have power, so they're gonna come over. We're going to cook dinner and probably just hang out, wrap up, and that'll be a night. I will turn that off for you. You have the noodles. I am making a roux because theoretically I can put the cheese sauce in there and then more vegan cheese.
and then have a significant portion of cheese on my mac and cheese. I think that I made this roux a little thick though. Yep. Hopefully that'll be enough.
They're on their way now.
Oh, okay.
They should be here soon.
Okay. As soon as I get done making this, I will make sure that the sewing stuff in that room is put away.
Yeah.
I got off the
Cool. Thank you.
I threw it away.
You must really like cheese, Mom.
I'm doing an experiment.
Are you making yours with cheese sauce?
Yep, that is the experiment. I think it needs more milk to be more saucy. Because I accidentally added like a ton of flour. So I feel like this took a while to melt down, but it did melt down.
Do you
I
want
mean,
to use that as your
this is my
eater?
cheese sauce. Yeah, I'll use this as my eater. Save a bowl, don't have to wash it. I think Bear wants us all to be together right now. He wants to keep an eye on everybody. Also, he's still a little bit scared of the jungle. Oh, this is actually pretty smooth now. May I have noodles to put in here?
Yes. Ready?
Yes. I just did not expect it to be this thick because it's been a while since I made a roux from scratch.
There you go.
Hey!
Got it.
You're thinking these on the side or actually in the macaroni?
I think Roman is actually in the macaroni.
Okay. I feel like that's more than half that I just handed you back. I am a little bit mixed on edamame in mac and cheese. I feel like it might be a weird texture, but I really do love peas and mac and cheese. That I'm a huge fan of. Ah, get out of my whisk.
Oops.
This feels like gratuitous food porn in macaroni form, at least as far as vegan macaroni goes. I think this is more similar to what I use to make macaroni from scratch with like the roux and the 3 different kinds of cheeses and the blah blah blah. So I did add cayenne pepper and salt to this, but I feel like this is a good place as any to end the video, so try this please. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to list them down below. New videos come up on Mondays, sometimes Thursdays. Haven't been really sticking to that, so if I were you, I would like the video, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Like always, stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye.